And the canopy has a really thick plastic canopy, just like these fins. They're actually really thick, and it has a really nice paint job, as I previously pointed out. But overall, this helicopter is not for flying outdoors. The slightest breeze, whatever direction the breeze is blowing, that's the direction the helicopter is going to fly in. And no matter how fast you fly it, try to fly it in that direction, you give it full stick for moving forwards or backwards, the breeze is going to just carry it off, because this tail rotor does not have enough authority to move it against the breeze. But like I said, I'm probably going to experiment with different propellers on this tail rotor, and to see if I can get more forward authority out of it, and actually be able to fly it outside. But with the nice blinky lights on the side and the nice little solid spotlight on the front, it's a really good looking, fun helicopter to fly. It looks cool in the air, and it's very fun to fly indoors. It's very stable, as you can see in the video. And also, when the power starts getting low, these LEDs, they'll stop flashing red and blue, and I think they'll just flash red to signify the battery's getting low and that you need to come in for a landing. And as you can see, I did a bit of a little crash landing, trying to land on the helipad. I'm not the greatest person at landing on the helipad. If I don't have the helipad there, for some reason I could land in that exact spot I want to land in. But when I have the helipad there, I kind of struggle. But once the helicopter gets in the ground effect, it wants to kind of float around a little bit and slide all over the place. But that's what any RC helicopter.
Move over, S33. Your new baby brother's here. The day has finally come for me to finally unbox the SEMA S37 Raptor RC helicopter. 2.4 gigahertz. You got hover maneuverability, double protection, flashlight, lithium polymer battery, high-low speed. You get all of this. Check it out. So straight out of the box, here are all the components that you see. Let's see what's inside this bag, which split open. So it looks like in addition to that, you get a warning label for the charge cable, extra battery, or maybe it's one already in here. But anyway, that's a battery pack, screwdriver, extra rear propeller blades, rotator blades, and a USB charge port. All right, cautions battery, and instruction manual, transmitter, and the helicopter itself. Now let's take a look at the helicopter, guys. This is beautiful in itself. I love that red color. It's got a metallic red color going on. You got a 3D full function helicopter, S37 on the side. So this measures a whopping 18.5 inches in length, and it weighs a mere 3.84 pounds. Here's an up close and personal look at the engine. I'm pretty sure it's brushed motors. Right, you got your rotator blades, the gyro on top for balancing, rear rotator blades, the landing strip. Here's where the power cable goes into. And here is the transmitter. It's got a SEMA logo. I like that black and orange finish. You got your up-down motion, and your left-right, along with the trim functions, the power switch, and this requires 4 AA batteries. Wow, so when it's fully charged, it turns blue. That didn't take long at all, guys. I'm going to charge the other battery pack, that way I have 2 to work with when I review this. If you simply turn it on now, nothing lights up, because you have to apply the power. See? We're good to go. So I've made it to a nice big clearing area, perfect to fly RC helicopters or drones. This is actually a softball field. And the weather forecast is calling for rain like for the next 5 days, so I'm glad today's sunny to finally review this. See? Alright, we're good to go. First off, I'm going to test to see how well it hovers. It's wanting to drift off to the left. Here we go. Make sure that's recording. It wants to drift off. See? It keeps on rotating and drifting off to the northwest. But if I change the setting, doesn't really matter. It wants to fly out. Helicopter. Got it. Oh, I think it's low on battery. That's why I won't go up anymore. Alright, let me see if I can land on that right there. Oh, that's close, that's close. I think we'll call it a day because I don't want to lose it. With my luck, this will probably end up being caught in a tree or flying away somewhere. Okay, let's see if we could get it to fly. Let's see if it's gonna hover. Hover. It actually seems to be doing pretty good. Oh, see, I'm not moving it. I'm not moving it at all. So as you can see, I've been a big fan of SEMA RC toys since they first were developed. The hovering, when it's zero wind conditions, is actually quite decent. But when you introduce it to the outside atmosphere, it is pretty hard to control. I think they need to do some fine tuning in their roller calibration or the trimming, because it wants to just drift off no matter how I want to control it. So it definitely takes somebody with a RC experience, especially with helicopters, because it's a different beast than flying quadcopters. Quadcopters are a lot more stable with 4 individual rotator blades on its axis, but this is just one. So you have to control all 360 degrees direction with just 2 simple controls. But I think it's a very fun toy, and it is somewhat affordable. But you know, but you buying for a kid, you might have to supervise them. I think this will make an awesome Christmas or birthday present. SEMA products always brings out the kid in me.
Thanks for watching Gadget and Modern Space Channel. Please tell us which gadget is your favorite in the comments, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Bye, have a nice day.